This is a custom CRM I built for my own business that is built on all of my acquisition funnels, my metrics, my conversion rates, and all around my business, what I sell, who I sell to, and what my metrics are. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that, step by step, without writing a single line of code in under 30 minutes. The first thing I did was go to Antigravity and just say download, and then download this for my PC. And after I've done that and successfully downloaded Antigravity, I just needed to open it and go through the whole installation process, which they led me through, which then in the end brought me to this empty page right here with the agent on the side, which will help us to write the whole code. We don't even have to write a single line of code. We will tell just everything to the agent and he will do this for us, which is pretty cool. So up in the top left, we have a few folders. And what we need to do is create a new folder. So we're going to go into our file explorer and search for the file in which we want to work and create our CRM. So for me, that's this path up here. And I just created a new file named, or a new folder named code. So I just created this new folder, and then heading back to Antigravity, we just say file, open folder, and then go to the folder we just created, say select folder. Now we have this folder here open. And now to actually create our CRM, we first have to give him a few skills so that he knows how to create the CRM, what he has to do, and so on, because we don't want to write any of the code ourselves. That's boring. We just want the AI to do it for us, and then in the end maybe fix some things and change things around that we want to have or not have. So first we need to create a couple of skills to give this agent to create our CRM. So we're going to create a new folder and call this folder .agent. And then in this agent folder, we're going to create a new folder which we call skills. And then in the skills folder, we need a new file. And for that, we go back to our file explorer and go down the path, .agent, skills. And in here, we need to upload a new file. And this new file is the skill.md file, which is basically the master prompt for all skills. So a skill in Antigravity, I have made a video on this previously, in case you haven't seen it. A skill in Antigravity is basically a guideline for the model and for the platform so that it knows how to create whatever you want it to create. You basically give them the skill to code, the skill to write an app, the skill to create a CRM. And we first want to give them the skill to create new skills, so we don't have to write all of them out ourselves. And for that, we need to have this master prompt for this master skill, which I have already done, thank God. And you will find this with the first link in the video description where you can just download it. So we're going to head over and get this skill now, which is inside my skill community. This is the link I will be giving you as well as the first link in the video description. Then head over to Classroom, Projects and Resources, and here is the Antigravity tutorial I made previously. Here is the skill creator. We're just going to download this skill, head back to the folder, say create new. So we're going to open our downloads, and from the downloads, we're going to pull this skill MD we just created and downloaded into our agent and skills folder. All right, back to Antigravity, and we can see that this skill is in here. Very cool. Now we head over to this agent on the right here and tell him or give him the prompt to create this new skill, which is building apps or building CRMs. And so I've done this for you real quick. I said create a skill for creating apps. The app should have a clean, minimalistic, modern look and function as CRM tools for businesses. I want to create a new CRM for each one of my clients in which they can enter new client details, their data, and so on. I would recommend you, as an extra step to make this even more personalized to you, to head over to Claude and prompt him with the following. So you tell them, I want to create a custom CRM inside Google's Antigravity for my own business. Please ask me everything you need to know about me, my business, and my metrics, so that in the end you can create a prompt for Gemini inside Antigravity to build my own custom CRM. You hit enter here, and the more precise you answer to all of his questions. Okay, this is in German now, but he's asking me the questions. The more precisely you answer all these questions, the better the end results will be. So I highly recommend you go through this. You take your time, step by step, search for all of the data and the conversion rates and so on that you have in your business, so that you make this as good and as spot on to you as possible. So back to Antigravity. After we told him to create this new skill, we don't need an extra prompt for that. You can just copy this prompt up here. I will give it to you in the school community as well. You can just copy that out, paste it in here, and then just let him run. In the meantime, he might ask you to approve some things that you want to do, or he might run into time failures. In that case, you just hit there will be a try again button. You just try that. He will try again. He will run through it all, and he will create this new skill called creating CRM. And so you will see in your skills folder, you will see a new folder, which will be called creating CRM apps. And in there will be a new skill MD. Don't get confused. This is another skill MD, and it will be called the CRM app creator. In here are all of the prompts and basically the entire guideline for how to create CRMs. Then you're going to go up here and set a new conversation. And in this new conversation, you're going to paste in the prompt that Claude is going to give you after you've answered all of these questions. Now, I've done that already, so I'm just going to head to that conversation. Up here, you can see this is part of the prompt I gave him to create my CRM for my business, which I got from Claude. And then I had it work through all of this. Again, he might run into time failure. This is just a beta version of Antigravity, so you might have to approve some things he's doing here and there and so on. So he'll be running through all of this. This will take let it be about 20 minutes. By the way, make sure that you choose the right model. At this point, when it's writing the code, it's really important that you choose the right model. You can see I already used all of my credits with Claude Opus. I recommend you use Claude Opus as well. This is by far the best model for writing code. So you do that, you tell him that, he will be running you through all of this, and then you will see that a new folder got created, which will be called CRM or something in that direction. And in here, you have the index.html, and you can just open that with, or even easier, you can just open that with a live server, and it will be opening that in your browser. And then you can go ahead here and so this is the dashboard it's created for me. For you, it might look slightly different. This is based on my metrics and on my business. And here you can add clients with all of their details. You can edit clients, whether they're active, whether they're inactive, how much value they have, where they're coming from, what their name is, different leads and their status. It will calculate all of the conversion rates and so on. You have how much revenues in the pipeline automatically, the different funnels, what your conversion rates on the funnels are. You can even edit these funnels. So this is really cool. You can even switch to white mode and dark mode for me. This is really comprehensive. There's a lot of information in here. It can do already a lot of things, but let's say there's some things that I'm missing here. For example, I wanted to add a new funnel, because this is my YouTube to school funnel, but I want to have let's say I'm starting to run paid ads. Well, to be fair, here's the paid ad funnel calculator is here. But let's say I just want to have the option to add new funnels here. In which case I would just go back and I would just tell them I wanted to have the option to create new extra funnels every time. And then what else could I be missing? I can't find anything, to be honest. So I'm just going to go ahead and run with this. And now he will just be generating, he will be editing his files, the code, and after a couple of minutes, give me the end results where I can add more funnels into my CRM. And while this is loading, by the way, the really cool thing here is that you don't even necessarily have to host this somewhere. If you are say you're a freelancer or you're the only person who needs to have access to the CRM, you can just have this sit on your own PC, and every time you need it, just go into Antigravity and say open live server, and it will open the live server with all of the data you put in last. It will remember all of this. You don't have to save this somewhere. It is just saved locally on your PC. So you can truly build your own full custom CRM and use it for eternity and change things, remove things however you like without ever writing a single line of code. And this, my friends, the beauty of vibe coding, to be honest. As long as you don't have to host it somewhere and other people get access to it, where some flaws that might be in the code could be revealed and could lead to actual problems when bad people get behind it and hack you or whatever. As long as you run this locally for only you, there is basically no downside to just vibe coding it. And just like that, we can see if we refresh the page and go to funnels, down here we can say add custom funnel. And he's now working on making possible that we can actually go there and like add the funnel, but the option is already there. Also really cool, you can see this right here live. I'm not touching my PC or anything, it is doing this automatically on my PC. It is running me through the code that is running right now. So I'm not touching anything right now, it's just doing that all on itself. Okay, so we just got done with it. We can now go back to our original tab and just refresh. And now in the funnels tab, there will be an option to add a new funnel. We can call this LinkedIn outreach. And I want to have this in the color blue, like in this greenish blue. Now, new stage. Top of funnels, by the way, people messaged. Then one client is worth, let's say not 10K, but 3,000. And then positive reply rate is at, let's say 10%. And then new stage. Call booking is at 80% from the previous one. And then the show up rate from that is 75% from the previous one. You get the idea. We can just go through this forever, say create funnel, and we will have this new funnel where, hey, if we message 3,000 people, then we get a show up rate of 180 people showing actually up. How cool is that? If we would change this base traffic to we message not 3,000 people, but let's say we message 100 people a day, and we have a closing rate of 30%, then we get 2 clients for every 100 people that we reach out to. Very cool. And we could just go on like this forever and add a new funnel and so on. You get the idea. This is how you create your own custom CRM for your business. So if you enjoyed this video and want to do this for yourself, you can go to my school community in the classroom tab. There will be a new resource for this video with all of the prompts and skills and data and resources from this video. It's free. You can just go ahead and do that. You can subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like whatever, you know how the game goes. You can go ahead and watch this video right now. I'll see you over there. Goodbye.